Apayao, Cabugao, Cordilleras, Las Frontier for nature richness. Abra, Bangged, natural dye capital of the Philippines. Kalinga, Tabuk, Mountain Province, Bontoc, Giver's Paradise. Ifugao, Lagawe, land of the 18th World Wonder. Benguet, La Trinidad, salad bowl of the Philippines. Batanes, Basco, home of the winds. Cagayan, Tuguegarao City, a true spelunker's paradise. Isabela, Iligan, rice bowl of the north. Nueva Vizcaya, Bayombong, citrus capital of the Philippines. Quirino, Cabarugis, forest heartland of Cagayan Valley. Aurora, Baler, Nueva Ecija, Palayan, rice granary of the Philippines. Tarlac, Tarlac City, melting pot of Central Luzon. Zambales, Iba, chromite capital of the Philippines. Pampanga, San Fernando, culinary capital of the Philippines. Bulacan, Malolos, get away to the northern Philippines. Bataan, Balanga.